219, or those caught in. A rainstorm from the sky with darkness, thunder and lightning. They press their fingers into their ears at the sound of every thunderclap, for fear of death. And Allah encompasses the disbelievers by His might. 220. It is as if the lightning were about to snatch away their sight. Whenever lightning strikes, they walk in its light. But when darkness covers them, they stand still. Had Allah willed, He could have taken away their hearing and sight. Surely Allah is most capable of everything. 221. O humanity, worship your Lord who created you and those before you, so that you may become mindful of Him